Google VEO 3 is 100% free from here to create unlimited AI videos. Let's see how to get access. First, search on Google for Bunny Flow, then visit flowbybunny.com. Now sign up for an account. After signing up, you will get a 3-day unlimited free trial. Next, click on Flow Access. Write your video prompt there, select VEO 3 Fast Ultra, and then click Open on Google Flow. Google Flow will open. Click Create with Flow, then click New Project. To make it work on Google Flow and Whisk, you need to install this extension. First, download the extension. Then open extension mode in your browser and go to Manage Extensions. Enable Developer Mode. Now drag and drop the downloaded extension into the Extensions page. Done, the extension is now installed. Next, log in using the email and password you created earlier. Once logged in, your account will be connected and the free plan will be activated. Now let's generate a video. You can also generate images using Nano Banana Pro. For video generation, write your prompt, select the aspect ratio, choose the video duration, make sure everything looks correct. Finally, click Generate.